Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on TikTok. Now, if you're starting to grow your audience on TikTok and you want it to live stream so that you can interact in real time with your audience, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and walk you through everything you need to do. The first thing is to make sure that you check the requirements. You do need to be 18 years or older to be able to do lives. It says a minimum of 1,000 followers. However, this isn't entirely true. There are some accounts, including my account, where I have less than 1,000 followers and I can still go live. And then, of course, your account needs to be in good standing and 30 days or older. Now, let's open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, and let's access live by tapping plus at the bottom center. At the bottom, you can see at the right is live. Tap on live at the bottom right. In my case, it says confirm your age before going live. So if you haven't done this previously, you will need to confirm your age. Tap on confirm age before going live. Tap on confirm. You can choose to do a facial age estimation, a selfie with an ID, or credit card. In my case, I'm going to tap on facial age estimation, tap on continue, tap on got it, tap on allow. Now I'm just going to have the camera pop up, and essentially I'm just going to use the selfie here. And just like that, it will take a quick image of me, and I will enter in my birthday. So I'm going to enter in my birthday here. And then you can see, just like that, I can hit confirm. Tap on close. And just like that, you've gone through the process of essentially verifying that you're 18 plus and that you can go live. After you've done that, you can see a number of things. One is flip. Essentially, if you tap on that, it will flip the camera around from the front camera to the back camera. You can tap on enhance, and essentially this will smooth out, or you can do a filter. You can change it to face or filters, essentially to change your look of you or to kind of change the ambiance around you. You can also tap on effects here, and you can change the effects to trending effects like spa, chill. You can see this one, straight eyebrows, etc. Just play around with these to see which one you like. After you've done that, you can hop out of here, tap on settings next, tap on about me if you wanted to put in more information about you and your live stream. Tap on settings. You can see you can choose to do a multi-guest if you wanted multiple people associated with your live. You can do dual camera, both a front and back camera at the same time. You can have practice mode, which is especially important, essentially if you're new to this and you want to practice before going live. You can choose to have moderators, change the video quality, remove background noise and audience controls, etc. You can basically customize all these settings. Next, you can choose fan club, service, interact, or share. Essentially, all of these will do various things like set up a fan club or let people interact with you or share it on other platforms. You can see at the bottom it says device camera, which of course is this iPhone camera. I can also tap on mobile gaming, and this will allow me to help to record my mobile game as I'm playing it, and I can do that as a live. I can also go to live studio if you're a bit more advanced and you wanted to have a full studio for your live. Most people stick with device camera. Next, tap on scaled live rewards at the top. You can see weekly mission rewards, and essentially if you've earned any money from your TikTok lives, you'll see it on here, either this live or this week. And if you scroll down, you'll also see various information on the money that you've earned, the creator league, content engagement, etc. When you're ready, tap on go live, the red button at the bottom. And then in my case, it looks like it's still confirming my age. So you might need to wait a little bit until your age is fully confirmed. And then at that point, you'll be able to go live to all of your followers on TikTok. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the one over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.